Hey everyone, this is my unboxing of the Series 3 Apple Watch in 2019. I've been saving up for a really long time to get my hands on my own Apple Watch, and finally, here it is. As you can see on the box, I've bought the 38mm case with the space gray aluminum body and the black band. This box is actually quite smaller than previous Apple Watch boxes. To open it up, use the pull tag and pull the box outwards. I didn't do it because I didn't see it. The first thing you'll see is the Designed by Apple in California text. In order to get to the watch, all you have to do is take that small box and lift it up and out. Inside of this thing, there are quite a few important things which you'd want to get to first before getting to the watch. First up is your instruction manual, and then is this foldable cardboard containing a larger Apple Watch strap and the charger. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this watch isn't the cellular one, it's the one with just the GPS. I don't think I'd like to leave my phone behind just yet. The protective covering shows how to use the strap on the back. I was super happy to see that Apple dropped the price of the Series 3 at the September Apple event, although I do wish they dropped the price of the Series 4, but that's nothing to complain about. It's still one of the best smartwatches out there. Now let me get to the first impressions part of this video. The watch juts up slightly above your wrist, but it's not that pronounced. On the front is the beautiful 1000-nit OLED display laminated to the front curved glass. The sport band that I have here is super soft and super comfortable. On the back you'll find the heart rate monitor and all the details of the watch laser etched onto the case. Coming from the Mi Band 3, this is a huge upgrade, at least not in terms of battery life though. One of my favorite features so far is being able to unlock my Mac with just my watch. No Touch ID, no password. It's super simple. And it just works. I'll need more time to test the other features including health and fitness, but for now, that's the unboxing and my first impressions. Stay tuned to my channel for more coverage on this watch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.